CNG versus petrol cars comparison. Welcome to our comprehensive comparison of CNG versus petrol cars. In this presentation, we'll explore the facts, advantages, and trade-offs of each option, so you can make an informed choice based on your driving habits, budget, and priorities. Introduction. Choosing the right fuel type is just as important as choosing the car itself. While petrol cars have been the long-standing favorite in India, CNG vehicles are becoming increasingly popular. The decision between the two depends on factors like your daily commute, performance expectations, and long-term savings goals. Fuel costs and running costs. CNG is significantly cheaper than petrol, both in price per unit and in mileage efficiency. For example, the Maruti Wagon R offers around 32.5 kilometers per kilogram on CNG, compared to 21.7 kilometers per liter on petrol. This means a running cost as low as Rupee 2.5 to Rupee 4.5 per kilometer, making CNG ideal for drivers who cover long distances daily. Initial cost and maintenance. CNG cars usually have a higher upfront price due to the cost of the factory-fitted kit. They also require periodic inspections of the CNG system for safety. However, since CNG burns cleaner, it reduces carbon buildup and engine wear, which can potentially extend engine life and lower some long-term repair costs. Performance and driving experience. CNG cars produce less power and torque than their petrol counterparts, which can result in slower acceleration, especially uphill. However, many modern CNG cars are bi-fuel, meaning you can switch to petrol mode when you need more power, for example, during highway overtakes. Refueling and convenience. One of the main drawbacks of CNG is the limited number of refueling stations, particularly outside major cities. Even in urban areas, longer queues are common. Petrol cars, on the other hand, benefit from a vast, well-established fuel station network, making them more convenient for long journeys. Environmental impact. CNG is the greener choice, producing fewer pollutants such as carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxides, and particulate matter. Petrol engines still emit more harmful gases, though stricter emission norms and new technologies are gradually improving their environmental performance. Boot space. A key disadvantage of CNG cars is reduced boot space, as the large cylinder occupies a significant portion of the luggage area. However, twin-cylinder technology, such as that offered by Tata Motors, places two smaller tanks beneath the boot floor, freeing up space for storage. Conclusion. In summary, CNG cars are best suited for those who prioritize low running costs, high fuel efficiency, and a smaller carbon footprint, particularly for city driving. Petrol cars are ideal for buyers seeking better performance, lower upfront cost, and greater refueling convenience. The right choice ultimately depends on your driving pattern, budget, and personal preferences.